Good morning guys, and in front of me is Xiaomi 17 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first enroll the settings, then find and select personalization, here we've got it, and now just go a bit lower, here we've got all the albums from which you can select your wallpaper. You can go with your own photos with online wallpapers, then you've got so many different options. Here we've got system wallpapers and I'll go with one from nature, maybe this one. Just take a look how this picture looks on both home and lock screen, then you can blur it if you want to. You can add also different picture on your home screen or lock screen, however you prefer. You can pick it here and then select different wallpaper. And now we've got two different options. Tap on apply, then confirm, and that's it. As you can see from now on, it is active. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.